Hello everyone and welcome to Day Trader S&P 500. Today is Sunday, December 11th. It's around 9 a.m. Eastern Time. This is Dale Woodson, editor of Woodson Wave Report and Day Trader S&P 500. Wanted to get you guys caught up with what our newsletter subscribers all had going on Friday. It was a very exciting day. Let me just regroup to Friday, if you don't mind, and we'll start with our pre-market open report that we put out. I believe. Let me get the time on that. 6:43 a.m. Eastern. We did get into the Eastern time zone. We're warning our subscribers that the second wave up was a direct hit and the third wave down is on deck. You can see that wave 2 up there on 12/1, which was one trading day earlier than our 12/4 turn date, and then from there we had a wave 1 down, as the 1 in a circle indicates, and then an A in parentheses up, B in parentheses down, C up. We had C equal an A at 40.12. We had a 50% retracement at 40.12, and we had a move up 2.5 points above it at 40.14.50. So we put our customers on alert that wave 3 is down and it should be a third wave. Okay, that was pre-market. Then we had a market open report, and let's see where that is. There is the market open, and that was put out at 8:53 a.m. Eastern. And again, as our customers say, I'm quoting our customers, show us the wave count and we'll tell you the news. Okay, you can see here wave 3 on deck, then the PPI at 8:30 or 9:30, whatever it was, provided the news, and the result was wave 3 down. Again, the wave counts precede the news, and the news follows the wave counts. It's been that way for decades, probably forever, but I haven't only been around for decades. Okay, so that's what we were looking at there, and then we give our wave 3 targets for our monthly subscribers to our newsletter. And then after that, we'll get into our, I believe we had afternoon, a midday report here on the 9th. And here you can see again, we're showing from that 41.10 high, we had the 1 down, the 2 up, and the result was the wave 3 down, and you can see how the market was inching its way upward. That's obviously a correction up there, so we're looking for this thing to accelerate to the downside. Okay, and we had a question on YouTube about, price pattern and time, all Marion. What about profits, actionability, and all that other stuff? I want to show you guys here trades here we made on Friday. Okay, we got short early and had a stop 4 points above. That's $200 loss. That's where we have this we call it measured risks, projected rewards. We have tight stops, and here this is 1 minute and 7 seconds before the announcement at 8:30. At 8:28:53 got short, and then less than 4 minutes later at 8:32:49 we bought the cover at the market. That was a spread of 40 something points. It was a little over $2,000 profit in less than 4 minutes. We had another one here where we had a tight stop and bought at 14, sold at 10. I want to show you guys actionable what we're doing here. I think I have that trade right there. There it is. We got short at 40.19 at 8:32. Bought the cover at 39.75. That's a difference of 43.5 points. Futures trade at $50 a point. So that's 21.75 in less than 4 minutes. That wasn't bad, but that was just our little trade, and that's why we have that subscription auto trade futures where Striker Securities does our trades, and you can get a contract with Social Securities if you wanted to do the auto trades that they trade with us. But I want to show you guys something else here, which is even more impressive. The customers are making way more than I am. Okay, I'll just show you guys a couple quick testimonials here. Since starting a service, up 770%. Already successful, profitable strategy. Was making 9,000 a month. Another customer here, you can see he goes just profit loss 246%, 20%. Another one here, can't believe the accuracy, 6K in one day, one of his best days or her best days, not sure which. Here's another subscriber, before subscribing, kept running out of money. Okay, my account would have been wiped out, but doing much better now, Elliott Waves, and the interpretation, um, doing good. Okay, couple more. Had a balance of 25, increased it to 89K, then to 112.6K, then to 131K. Loves the intraday scalping. I showed you guys what I happened to do that right before the PPI. Again, short stop, maybe lose 200, but gain 2,000. Okay, when he swings trades or gets trapped, more losing, he says he recommends keep track of your trades, so he shows all of his trades here. Again, unsolicited response. But anyway, people love the intraday updates. You saw I gave 3 of them on Friday. When the market's moving, we want to give our subscribers all of the targets up and down. There's another one up 10K. You guys get the idea, okay? So let's get, without further ado, let's get to the charts. Here's the Qs. Okay, we're looking at the C wave down from the August 16th high, which was a direct hit not only on price but time. And you can see here a 1 down, a 2 up, which is a perfect 50% retracement, a 3 down, a 4 up, which was a perfect 382 retracement, make the larger wave 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 makes a larger wave 1. The wave 2 up, we had a 50% retracement target at 294. It hit 295.75. You can see the red line is the target. The black line is the actual. That's within a point, less than 2 points. And you can see here, wave 3 down. I can draw a little quick directional line here. Wave 3 down should get to equality with wave 1 at a minimum, which is 215. So that's what we are looking at there in the Qs. I want to skip right to the ES. We are looking at a daily chart. This is the all-time high back in January. It's almost a year old in the S&P. It's over a year old in the Qs, and the NASDAQ started in November of 21. This is January of 22. You can see the A wave down in parentheses, which was 1 down, 2 up, 3 down, 4 up in the red, and 5. The wave B up, again, that direct hit on price and time. From that B wave high in August, we've got 5 waves down for the larger wave 1 in parentheses, and wave 2 up. This 2 was a 736 retrace. Previous one was a 588. This was a 749. Couple little bookends there. And you can see that trend line drawn from the all-time high hits the wave 2 high in March, the wave B high in August, and this wave 2 high on 12/1, which was 1 trading day before our 12/4, December 4 turn date. You can see this 1 down here in parentheses, this 2 up, 3 gains equality at 32.85. That's the bigger picture on the ES or the daily chart. I want to get, let's go, well, we'll go to the hourly here from that 12/1 turn. You can see here we've got 5 waves down for a 1 in circle, 2 up at 40.24. Let's do this live here if we can. Let's see where that extension is. I'll try to get as close to accurate on that as I can. 39.14. It's within a quarter point, and that's within a quarter point, so that should be about 38.29.75. That's off by a quarter, and that's off by a quarter. But that's what that third wave should gain equality there. You can see this purple little arrows thing in a circle is where the futures contract rolls over. Okay, it went from December to March right here. So if your numbers are different, you might be on the December contract. Let's get a little closer view here. Okay, here is where we're looking for a 535 from that 39.14 low. Let me see if I can get that in there. There's the 39.14 low on an hourly. Now we're going to get a little tighter here with a 10-minute. 39.14 low. We need a 535 up. We got ABC for The larger wave A in parentheses 5, 3 waves down, 5 waves up. C is complete, 2 is complete, bang, here comes the news. Here comes the news following the wave. Wave 3 down begins, and you can see these wave 3 targets. The first one there is 38.28 or 38.27 and 3/4, okay? And here's where that wave up was 500 at 40.12 and C equaled A at 40.12, and the market went to 40.24. Here was our make or breaks. Up here at 41.10, this couldn't retrace, this second wave could not retrace more than 100% of the first wave, which began at 41.10, and there were the other Fibonacci retracement targets. You can see right there. Yeah, I got them a little bit out of sync there, okay? But that is the 10-minute. Let's see, we want to even get down. Yeah, we can do the 5-minute. I'm sorry, the 1 minute here. I love looking at this for changes of the trend and targets for scalping and sometimes day trading, or a 10-minute. You can see the one down from the 40.25, 40.24, and the 2 up there. There's that actual. There's what I hit. See, that's what they're doing. This is at least 2 degrees of trend. They took the second wave up to the 786. And again, the purpose of the second wave is twofold. One, to make the bull market, people believe that the bull market is returning or has returned. What better way to do it than to run it up to 786? If it goes over 100, it's wrong. Okay, so it couldn't go above 40.24, and it also shakes out the shorts. If you're short in here and you're going to watch this thing go up, you're going to lose money, and they want you to cover. So you cover, bang, I was wrong. Oh, no, you were right. You just got out early. They're going to make most of the people lose most of the money most of the time. So that's the purpose of the second wave, twofold, to get the bulls back in at the top and to get the shorts out at the high or before the high, before they take it down in wave 3. And here comes wave 3, 1 down, 2 up, 3 down, which was a perfect 1.618, 4 up, and 5. That was 1. That is 2. I don't have it labeled, but right before the last hour on Friday, when we warned our customers the third wave is coming down, here it comes into the close, bang, that's what you get, a big collapse near the lows back on the open at 8:30. So should set up for an interesting Monday. We'll see how it goes. Futures open at 5 p.m. Central today. That's about 8 hours from now. So exciting things in the market. We'll see what happens. And that's it for today. I'll leave you guys with, did I show these picks already? I may not have. Okay, let me get this over here for you guys. Bring that in. There is that 10-minute bar showing those targets. Okay, let me see if I can get that better into view. My apologies there. Let me make that a little bit smaller. And I made it larger. My apologies. Let's see if we can get that a little bit. There we go, a little bit closer. Let's get that down. Let's just go into our ES. There is our hourly chart right there, as you can see from the turn date, 1 down, 2 up, and there's our 3 target at 38.29 3/4. Okay, that's it for today, and until next time, take care, everyone.